In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can execute trades on MetaTrader 4. So MetaTrader 4 is one of the most popular apps to execute your trades on your mobile phone, and if you don't know how to do this, it can be a little bit tricky. So first of all, what you will need to do is download MT4 and then open it up. Once you open up MT4, you'll be on this page here, and assuming you have done all of your analysis on your computer, what you can do is go to the currency pair that you want to go ahead and execute a trade on. So for this example, I will choose Euro USD at the top. Select Euro USD and then you'll get this little pop-up here, and you can now click on New Order. Once you click on New Order, so what you can do is click on any of these, so Instant Execution, Buy Limit, Sell Limit, Buy Stop and Sell Stop. And you will have determined which one you need by doing your analysis on your computer on TradingView or something like that. And then down below you will have the lot size. So you can calculate the lot size on apps like Steenu and stuff like that. So assuming you have got your lot size calculated, what you can do is you can click on it and then you can type this in manually. So as you can see, I have deleted all of the digits. And then for example, if I wanted a 0.20, you can click on 0.20 and then that will be your lot size for this trade. If you click on the down arrow on Android, as you can see on the left hand side, this is where your stop loss will be, so on the red section. So you can put in something like 1.50500. And then the take profit section is the green section. You don't have to have one of these if you haven't got a take profit and you don't want one. But assuming you have a take profit on your trades, what you can do is click on 1.50700 for example. And once you have done that, what you can do is click on the buy button. On this specific trade here, because the numbers don't add up, the buy button and the sell button are not available to click. But assuming you have done it right and you have entered all the figures right on MT4, which have come from TradingView, what will happen is then the sell button and the buy button will be available to click, and obviously you click on sell if you are going short and you click buy if you are going long. So that's just how easy it is to execute a trade on MT4, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.